Hey guys, Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll know when all of our cool, awesome content goes live. So I want to talk to you today about this article I found. It says that Crypto.com laid off 260 employees, then quietly lets go of hundreds more. Uh-oh, that's not good. So in June, crypto exchange, Crypto.com announced it was laying off around 260 employees or 5% of its workforce due to the widespread downturn in the crypto market. But apparently, this is not where the layoffs stopped. It sounds like this outside firm called The Verge has mentioned that the company has quietly let go of hundreds more employees since the initial layoffs. So why is this happening? Well, as you know, the crypto market is still in a bear market right now. It's been drawing on for quite some time. You know, the whole market started dropping around November of this last year, and we're well into the depths of it. So obviously a lot of these larger companies have taken on, extra employees, expanded operations, stuff like that. So their expenses have gone up. Well, one of the expenses that a lot of these companies have is staffing. Well, when less people are spending money on crypto and you're taking in less revenue, well, the people that are working for you, they still cost the same amount of money. So unfortunately, something like this has to happen. Now, the continued layoffs that have been, shown through here, the big question is what, is causing that. There's a couple different things that could have caused that, but we'll kind of get into that in a second here. So this one review dated July 10th, and again, this is just speculation. It says that the company is hiding the fact that they've laid off more than 1,000 employees, which is quite a large percentage of their staff. It's actually, it's a lot. So it's important to note that Crypto.com is not the only centralized exchange that has been laying off employees as of late. So I know that Gemini was a large one that laid off a portion of their staff. Crypto lender BlockFi cut 20% of their staff. Coinbase planned to lay off 18%, and the list goes on and on. So what is a big reason for this? Again, is the real question. Well, again, a big part of it probably has to do with the market just being the way it is. We haven't had this recovery yet. So there's not a lot of reason for them to keep these people on the payroll at this point in time while there, isn't that much revenue flowing in. Another, reason that this could be happening is the switch over to DeFi, so decentralized finance. So there is this big push to get towards the DeFi area with all the crazy things you've been hearing about some of these larger centralized exchanges having issues and, not your keys, not your coins. That's a common saying that's being said because obviously you don't have the keys to your wallet on those exchanges. So what does it really mean? Well, we don't know 100%, but we will find out, obviously, as we start to move out of this bear market into the bull market, because if this continues to happen during that point of time, you don't see the revenue start flowing back in, well, then I think there's a little bit more to it than meets the eye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Again, that way you'll know when all of our videos, our shorts, our live streams, all of that goes live. We'll smack my microphone there. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you in the next one.